will be doing more wash and goes. Yup, I sure will. I sure will. If I didn't think I was, I am now. Hey beauties, so as you can see, I just took down my crusty hair from out of that ponytail holder, and I'm obviously proceeding to shampooing and everything my hair. As you can see to the right, you can see the main choice line that I'm using. I will link everything down in the description box. I don't intend to do too much talking this video because I do have another wash and go video, but I at the very least want to show you how my wash and go turned out this time. So before I deep conditioned beauties, I made sure to lightly finger detangle my hair because my hair definitely needed this TLC. And I just wanted to make sure that all of the conditioner essentially coated each of my strands in preparation for a really good deep conditioning. Be sure when you're doing this not to be too rough with your hair. Be patient, be gentle, and you shouldn't have too much shedding if you do it right. If you've been here long enough, you have seen my lovely hot hair deep conditioning cap. Please don't judge me about how long it took me to turn this inside out. I was using one hand because I had to hold the camera, so yeah. Once rinsing out the deep conditioner, I was sure to keep my hair soaking wet while applying the leave-in conditioner. That is a key to having a bomb wash and go. Sorry about not showing you beauties what I used to style my hair with, but I will be sure to leave it all down in the description box and the order that I used them in.
Da ba da ba da ba yeah. Da ba da ba 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 da ba 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 yeah. Set the ba da da ba da. Boy yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home.
As you can see, beauties, I did twirl the end of some of my hair around my finger when I felt like it wasn't clumping the way I wanted it to.
I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in about the waterway.
Hey beauties, hey beauties, hey beauties. Okay, so it is obviously the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like. Hold on, let me turn it so I can kind of see. Okay, so yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. Let me give you a close up. I did my edges. So I did this really late, so my hair was still pretty damp when I laid on it. So some of the areas, let me show y'all, some of the areas still have some of my hair definition. I don't know, that part doesn't, you see. Anyway, this is what she's looking like. And so now I'm going to stretch my hair. I have my blow dryer with my attachment to concentrate the heat on my hair. And the last time I did a wash and go, I think I did it low-key, like really wrong. But it's fine. We live and we learn. So yes, my hair is fully dry, so I recommend trying this way. Let your hair pretty much dry, and then go ahead and take it, take your dryer or whatever to stretch it if that's what you're going to do. So I'm gonna take this small section and I am going to go ahead and see how this turns out. I'm a little nervous, but hey, I gotta get it done, right? Let's go. what it's looking like so far. Not too shabby. So I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then I will come back to show you the final results. I love it. Oh my gosh, I have never had my hair look quite like this before. Where my pick at? Hold on, y'all, let me go get my pick. Got it. Okay, I kind of just I don't want to pick out my roots too much because this is still fresh and I want to keep this for maybe about 4 or 5 days. I want to see how long I can stretch this. So, but I do kind of want to get rid of this middle part. You can kind of see where I separated my hair. I do want to get rid of that. So I'm going to go in pretty much like straight into where that part is. And I'm just going to pick it a little bit. Not too much. Only just the roots. As you can see, I'm literally just going like this, just slight little small movements upward, and that's going to, as I said, I wasn't gonna fluff my hair. Here I am fluffing it a little bit, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that that middle part is not coming through. I mean, it kind of is as I'm flipping it up. It's not as evident as it was before. I'm just loving how, you know, how my hair is defying gravity. I love it. I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with my hair. Like, wow. I wouldn't say it exceeded my expectations, but I'm happy. Like, this is what I hoped for. I think these are some really, really great results. I don't have any flakiness at all from that combination. So again, I use the Main Choice shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner, and then I also use, of course, this Ebin foaming lotion, extreme line gel, olive oil. Oh, and I use this Camille Rose cocoa cream, intense moisture, and then I topped it off with olive oil. I have never not had flaking, so I'm sad to say that I don't know, Eco Extreme Gel got y'all, because I have zero flaking, and even after one day I will have flaking from Eco, and I love me some Eco, but that Extreme Line Gel has showed out. You hear me? Look at my afro, y'all. Like, who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? I will be doing more wash and goes. Yup, I sure will. I sure will. If I didn't think I was, I am now. I am now, boo-boo. But beauties, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this process. It really isn't a horrible process. It isn't difficult. It does take time. But like I said, it's not a difficult process at all. Let me know if you tried this method. I would love to find out how your experience went. And if you like, please tag me on Instagram in your pictures if you post pictures with your wash and go using this method and or the same products that I use. I would love, love, love to see it. But beauties, anyway, that is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you like the content you see, then please
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Beauties, I love you, I thank you, and I will see you in the next one.